New River Graphics offers photography, videography, photo retouching and colorization. We are located in Canvas, West Virginia. Our specialty is wedding photography. We offer quality service, fast turnaround and customer satisfaction. We do photo restoration. We can remove scratches, blemishes, dust spots, and more from your photographs, including color, tint types and black and white photographs. Your original will not be harmed, and returned to you. Give us a call today for an estimate 618-205-8844. Do you have an upcoming special event that you need video recorded? We can help. We do weddings, music videos, promotional videos, real estate videos, commercials, and much more. We shoot in 1080 and 4K. We do all the editing, plus add music or voice-overs to the background. Your new video will be ready to download on your favorite social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, and more social media sites. If you are interested in any of our services, please call Gary Wilcox, New River Graphics, at 618-205-8844. Be sure to visit our Facebook page.